Brought to you by Rhino Shield.
Yes, we are glad to be back live with you after a week off. And just wait till you see what we've been working on in our little time off here.
You know, one thing is for sure. We have been shopping. Check out some of these pieces from designer Daria de Koning. She is in town for a special event. I have one figure for you, $12,000. We're going to learn more about that and her amazing jewelry line coming up. Is that a tease, guys, or what?
Yes.
Yeah.
Also, we're going to help you dress up in designer duds on a budget at Back on the Rack. This resale shop has all kinds of great clothes and handbags at a fraction of the original price. And then we're taking you inside the brand new American Girl store at Chesterfield Mall. They held their grand opening over the weekend, and we sent a special American Girl correspondent to cover it for us. Did you know they existed, Carol?
Yes, 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 yes. Because when going to Chicago, everybody has a red bag from American Girl. Yes. And I also know they exist because I don't have any daughters.
Well, I meant the correspondent, the special correspondent.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, I didn't even hear that. I'm so focused on my $12,000 piece of jewelry.
Wait till you see her.
Okay, all righty then. But I did know that American Girl existed, and I'm so glad God did not give me a daughter because I would be broke. All right, let's talk about jewelry. I love shoes, I love my husband, and I love jewelry. Now, her jewelry has appeared in the pages of O Magazine, Marie Claire, and has been worn like stars, including Edie Falco, designer Daria as in star. Daria de Koning is here to show us some of her one-of-a-kind creations, along with our girlfriend, St. Louis style editor, St. Louis Magazine style editor, Jan Leach. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
All right, let's get to $12,000. Okay, let's get right to it.
It's not all that expensive.
You better be quiet.
Oh, sorry. Yes, those are perfect for you then. Yes, those are $12,000. They are smoky citrines and cognac diamonds and Keshi pearls.
Ooh, can we get one more shot? They're just,
yeah.
I'm going to push my hair back so you can see.
And these are one of a kind.
Oh my gosh.
And they were made for you.
Yeah, Jan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the drop is actually detachable, so you can take that off if you want to wear just the swirl by itself, or you can put a different kind of drop on the bottom. So they're multifunctional.
I would be scared to death to take them apart.
Yeah, no, it's very easy. But they don't fall off while you wear them, so that's a good point.
All right, we've got the $12,000 and my shock out of the way. Jan, St. Louis Magazine brought you here for an event that we're going to talk about coming right up. But you studied here.
I did. I went to Washington University in St. Louis, and I actually was a graphic design major. And
which is not jewelry.
Which is definitely not jewelry. But I had taken a metalsmithing class, and when I got after freshman year and got totally hooked, and so I ended up taking classes at Craft Alliance, and that sort of launched my career. And then I kept doing tons of classes, and thought, well, I like graphics, but this is kind of where I want to go, and here it is. So.
And Jan, what do you love about her?
I love how unique and individual every single piece is. I look at jewelry every day. It's what I do for a living, and nothing stands out like these pieces. They're so unique, one of a kind. The gemstones that she uses, I've never seen half of them.
Exactly.
It's like a learning process.
Well, and a part of that is because you not only took the metal class, but you have a gemologist degree. Yes. Every jewelry designer does not have.
You should. You need
but
it.
you should, so you know what you're working with, right?
So, well, half my business is actually custom engagement rings, and then I have the collection, and then the one-of-a-kinds. So the gemology degree is really helpful, and especially knowing about diamonds, you know, learning that kind of thing, so you could do the engagement rings. But I really love the unique stones, and so, for instance, you know, the necklace.
Let's look at this one, because this is the one you
That's
said
one Edie Falco wore.
Edie Falco wore. Okay, and what is this stone?
It's an agate, which sounds very basic, but it's reversible. Actually, if you look at the underside of this, which is the natural outside of the rock, and the inside, which is the side that's showing, is a druzy. So it's a chalcedony growth. And
what does that mean, dear? Chalcedony growth. I mean, do I need to see a doctor? That's what that sounds like.
I know, right? No, it's a type. Chalcedony is a type of stone. It's a quartz form, and it just forms in this fashion. It's called druzy, and then the water, you know, carves these natural rivets in here, and it's stunning. And it was originally drilled to be strung when I found the stones, and I thought, well, that's kind of boring. So I set every stone, and then through the drill holes, there's little diamond stitching.
Okay, and I can see the diamond stitching. You may not be able to, but I can see the diamond stitching.
Just a little something.
And Jan, as style editor at St. Louis Magazine, people see these. This is what we would call a statement piece.
Exactly.
They're kind of nervous to wear statement pieces.
Sure. I mean, you can let a necklace like that wear you.
Exactly.
Basic, simple outfit, and this necklace will carry you where it will wear you. And then that's what you want when you have a necklace like that. Say, look at this beautiful piece, and wear a simple black evening gown. I mean, honestly, if you own this piece, you better be wearing it with your t-shirts, you're wearing it with your evening gowns all the time, both sides. It's just amazing.
I would love to be the woman who wears $12,000 earrings with her t-shirt and her blue jeans. That is the woman I want to be. So where can we meet Daria?
Daria, we are having an exquisite show tomorrow at the Jewel Box at Forest Park between 1 and 3 p.m. So Daria will have these pieces along with some other of her one-of-a-kind and her collection pieces at the Jewel Box. So you can meet Daria in person.
And the first 50 guests?
First 50 guests get a fabulous goodie bag.
Okay. Now, I think we've added $50 to the price because I've worn them. So now they're $12,050. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
So nice to have you back in St. Louis.
It's great to be back.
Wash, you should be very proud. I know we are. Again, you can meet Daria and see all of her gorgeous jewelry up close and personal tomorrow at the beautiful Jewel Box. We posted a link to Daria's website and to St. Louis Magazine on GreatDaySt.Louis.com. Virginia, $12,000.